Well, I'm really getting close to having the shed built out. You can see the front of it here. I've wired it all up. Those are motion sensitive lights that come on at night. They're at the front and back doors. And so let's go on in. And it's a little rough still. There's a few things I still need to do. But when you come in, there's the voluminous trash pile, the workbenches. I just realized that shelf is in the wrong way. I need to rotate it, not a big deal. I got a couple of tables. There's some more to come in, and some workbenches and sawhorses and tool chests, and there's going to be another table here. Everybody makes fun of my smoke detector and my fire alarm, but of course, you know, safety first. The lighting is two 11,000 lumen LED lights, which are very bright. We even wired up for internet. You can see I have two-way switches for the overhead, one of which is automated. You only need one. And also the outside lights are both automated, so they can be shut off remotely. So I can say, for example, computer, lab overhead off, or computer, lab overhead on. The fans interfere with the voice command. Computer, stop. Computer, turn on lab overhead. There you go. Or I could have done it from the switch, of course, but what fun is that? The fans make it somewhat tolerable, plus there's radiant barrier and a roof vent, a ridge vent rather. And you can see my load center here. And if you look up at the top, you can see I'm drawing about 2 amps off that circuit. Right now, I just have some Romex going across, which is actually how it was before, but I don't really care for that. That's temporary. And you can see where I have metal clad cable getting ready to make that run as soon as I can shut the power off and rerun it with the metal clad. And then there, of course, there's a wire rope guy that actually takes the stress. Right now that Romex is just tacked up there, and the metal clad's kind of tacked up there too, but it'll be better when I get finished with it. And there's the other two-way switch, which also has the light switch for the outside lights out this double door. Oh, let's see, what else is of interest here? I guess really not much of anything. But it's a very workable, usable little space. When it gets really hot, you can turn on the big fan and blow air out of the ridge vent, but that actually makes a lot of noise. So anyway, that's a tour of the new shop or lab or shed or whatever we're calling it. So hope you enjoyed it.